In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Namecheap domain to WordPress, and we'll be wrapping it all up in just about 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and get your domain set up effortlessly. The first step is to head over to your Namecheap account. Open your browser and navigate to the Namecheap website. Once you're there, locate and click on the account button. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page, providing you with access to your login screen. In the login screen, you'll need to enter your username and password. Make sure that you type these credentials correctly to avoid any login errors. If it's your first time logging into Namecheap, remember to double check your email for any welcome messages which might have additional instructions or details about your account. After successfully logging in, you'll see an option to sign in and continue. Click this button as it secures your entry into your Namecheap dashboard. Your dashboard is essentially your hub for managing everything related to your purchased domains and other services offered by Namecheap. With the dashboard open, your next move is to locate your domain. To do this, simply go to your list of domains and find your specific domain name that you wish to connect to WordPress. Click on it to highlight and then copy your domain name exactly as it appears. This is important because you'll need this precise name for your WordPress setup. Now it's time to switch gears and head over to WordPress. Enter WordPress's website and ensure you're logged into your account. Once inside, look for a prominent banner on the left side that reads "Free domain with an annual plan." This banner will guide you to the domain connection section. Scroll down a bit and find the option to use it as your site's address. Click on this link. You'll enter the domain pasting phase where you'll paste the Namecheap domain name you copied earlier. Once you've pasted your domain, click on the continue button. This guides you through a few more selection screens to ensure you are setting up the domain connection properly. Among these, you'll see the option to connect your domain. Confirm this by clicking on select. As you proceed, the next option will be start setup. Click this to enter the setup phase, which sets the path for your domain to get connected. You'll need an authorization code, which can be found in your Namecheap account under domain settings. Enter this code carefully, ensuring there are no errors. Finally, complete the process by clicking on check readiness for transfer. This will initiate the final check, making sure everything is set up correctly for the domain transfer to your WordPress site. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, your Namecheap domain should now be successfully connected to your WordPress site. It's a simple yet effective way to get your site up and running, giving you a polished and professional online presence.